Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix application error while you are running any application software on your Windows PC like Windows 10 or in your Windows 11. So at that time you are facing this type of irritating error, as you can see guys in my screen. So now let's see how to fix this irritating problem or error. So let's get started one by one. Okay, so first you need to close your all open application from your PC. Okay, more application will open on your PC, it cause the extra RAM usage. That's why you need to close the all running application and restart your PC. After restarting, open the application. If the application is not running smoothly, so now you need to run your application in the administrator mode. Okay, so right click on your application and here you can get the option run as administrator. Okay, now let's see it will work fine or not. Still in case you're facing same type of problem error, now you can try the next method. Hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open settings. Okay, like this. In the settings, go to system, scroll down and find out about section, and here you can get the option advanced system settings like this, and go to advanced, and here you can get the option in the preferences settings. Click on settings option like this, and here open the data execution prevention tab like this. From here you need to select the second option, turn on DEP for all program and services except those I select. You need to check this, click on apply and click on OK. That's it. Close the settings and restart your PC one more time and run your application program. Now it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to update your Windows PC. To update the PC, you need to open the once again Windows settings like this. Go to Windows update. From here you can easily able to update your PC. Okay, after updating it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now the last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to reinstall your program. Okay, so before reinstalling you can try the one more method. You need to temporarily disable the antivirus. If you are using any third-party antivirus for your PC, you need to disable it temporarily. So I am not using any third-party antivirus, so there is a built-in Windows security antivirus available in the Windows PC. So if you are using this, you need to disable it for temporary. Okay, click on manage settings. From here you can easily able to disable this. That's it. Okay, after disabling, now you can run the application. In case still your application is not running, you need to uninstall and reinstall it. That's it. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem error. So that's all today guys. Comment down below which option, which method was work with you. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.